want to talk about mental health issues and how mindful thinking can actually help you out to take care of your mental health issues in the best manner possible. 2020 hasn't been a very good year for most of us, and all of us are dealing with our fair share of anxiety, stress, and depression kind of mental health issues. One of my friends recently called me and she went all panicky because of all the incidents that were happening in her life, and she was like, okay, so all these things are making me anxious, so maybe I'm an anxious person. This is what I want you guys to understand. You are not your thoughts. You are a person who is experiencing the thoughts. So the thoughts are going to stay in your mind for as long as you allow them to stay. What happens is that if we are entertaining a particular kind of thought, then our brain starts accumulating the similar thoughts and starts triggering at us. So when you are feeling sad because of something that didn't go right or something that you could have done better, then our brain starts accumulating similar thoughts that made you sad in the last few years that are stored in your memory, and you just start feeling sad over and over again. And this kind of creates a thought pattern, and if you think about this thought pattern continuously for a longer period of time, then this thought pattern becomes your core belief, which is actually the foundation of the depression or anxiety or the mental health issues that happen to you. So what you can do is, I just wanted to share 3 quick tips with you guys that you can actually try out in such situations when you're feeling such kind of situations, or when you're feeling stuck in such kind of situations. So the first tip is, as soon as you get a sad thought, start moving, start changing your position. Get up from where you are sitting or you're lying down, whatever you are doing, stop doing that and start taking a walk. Talk to yourself about how good things have happened to you, how much you are blessed, how grateful for you are for your life, and what are the things that you have done that have made you proud, or your achievements. So all of the good things that you can think of, you just start thinking about that, and you just don't let the bad thoughts stay in your mind. This is a kind of method that will help you instantly in feeling happy instantly, but I don't suggest this method quite often because this method kind of lets your brain accumulate the sad thoughts. So the other better way to address your thoughts is to address them and to share it with some family member or some friends of yours. So call your family member or call your friend and just start sharing all of the bad thoughts that are coming to your mind or what you are feeling in that moment. But make sure in this situation that the other person who is on the receiving end of this conversation is mentally healthy. They are in a perfectly healthy mental state. They are happy and they are ready to indulge in such kind of conversation. Otherwise, it becomes an emotional burden for either of us. The third thing that you can do, which is actually very impactful, is that you start writing down the thought that comes to your mind. Whatever bad thought comes to your mind, you start writing it down, and whatever thoughts are coming to you after that thought, write all the bad thoughts down and just get them out of your system. So once all of the thoughts are out of your system on that piece of paper, you just crush the piece of paper and throw it. And this way you can actually address your feelings. You will take out all of the negative feelings out of your body and you'll feel healthy and happy and blissful. So these are the 3 things that you can try out to actually take care of your mental health in a better manner in the initial stages. I hope you learned something new, and I really hope that you implement all these things in your life and you get the positive results out of it.